Hey! You what? Jesus! Hey! Okay. Eh?
Hey! Wabaru kamini. Hello, wabaru ola kamini. Okwado mmadu mo masi. Something where they do for secret before. Na for road they do am before. May the Lord deliver you. Eh?
Jesus!
Child! Somebody's 9 months. The time when your mama take waste for house, carrying you, nurturing both of you inside womb. If she says she take her enter toilet to go shit, it for better. At least sit down, okay, to kurala. No shote, no ya. Turn on like you say, oh, behold my shit. They will hear more shit. For main road. Others they do their own now hide. No, nobody is perfect. So. But to kissing on the road where small children will see you and then they learn tomorrow you say you are the leader of tomorrow. You are the destroyer of tomorrow. Father, let us continue. God. Hey! Stop there! I command you to stop there! Hey! Stop there! Don't let this nonsense stop. Stop there! I know you. I talk it. Didn't I talk it? Who are you?
Is that thing talking to me?
I am not talking to you, but I am talking to that thing that is in you. Whoever that have sent you to come into this world to destroy these small girls that are surrounded to you. I am going to liberate you today. You are free indeed.
Mother, I don't think if this man knows what he's doing.
Now you will not study what they do. Out of all the work in the whole world, not to hold person head. You fix head, carry two brass made. If you want to come do marriage, you go carry trailer. I feel like go hold your gun for back. Today is your end. Because the Bible said, whoever the man of God is set free is free indeed. I am going to set you free. You Jezebel of our time. Get my issue. No wonder I see plenty girls. And I got for brachot.
I have to warn you. Desist from saying bad things to me, else something bad will happen to you.
Bad things will follow you now. I go invoke bad things now. Everybody where they for Nigeria, I go follow you now. All these bad women, what they happen for Nigeria, you get this, and if you don't leave this body, leave this body one.
See how
leave this body two.
Mind your business.
I think he's going
leave this body three.
What can he do?
Leave this body now.
You are making noise, Mr. Man. Can you go to wherever it is you're going to?
I dreamed to you last night. I did inside dream. You can't come out. Hey! I wonder. I can't they say, which woman be this one? Where everybody just about to. Everybody just about to. I say, no, you spirit of Mami Water. You spirit of Jezebel. I will come against you into you. Hotel, you come. I carry scissors. I see long thing where be like a pull lock. As I want cut them, the thing can't shock me. Never say shock me too much. It can't shock me small. Immediately I shout, the blood of lamb. The blood of lamb 3 times. Woo! You flee away from me.
Don't. It's okay.
Come on, shut up your mouth. Maka, show me something. When she don't show you something, when she here to get put her wife in. Hey!
The parachute he's wearing is deceiving him.
Eh?
Allow him. Don't
joke with me, oh. Me wear parachute. I wear parachute, anointed coat. Do you know who I am? That is G.O. International. That is G.O. of I Wonder Ministry. International Overseas.
You really wonder?
Yes, I wonder. Thank God say you know I wonder. Wherever you are coming from, you will meet this body. Because this body is a temple of God. I command you, you spirit of Mami. Are you? Now,
I warned you. I wrong him an arrogant. Ili parachute bagale.
On a come no. Now for grand idea. You push man of God. Wait to. Not be here. You push him don't dance. Hey! In So that because of this small talk why I talk now, you can't push me hand. You go same way today.
I go tell you the stuff I am made up of. I'm a working on daily by the recording. You let someone to go. Memote. I now fall. You think say you don't win.
He said those that is in me is better than those that is not inside me. For you to have come to deceive these small children, I am going to leave you. You go leave this temple today. You.
Hey! I no naga. I ne kwesu no naga.
Just wait.
I no naga. I na 1 minute no naga.
70 years old man.
I no naga. I na wanyi sogologo no naga. Onye na amadu uche Chineke. Oche ne kwense meriwo. Munagi no naga. You na dadiji o no naga. Iga hu ihe. You must see something today. Munagi no naga. Gina dadiji oh na naga oh ayi na naga oh hey no naga onye na amadu uche Chineke oche na nwanyi mmiri emedielo if I be a man of God na me if the oil where you drop to my head no be good oil make this woman win me today she gonna say na me be the oracle of God na me be dadiji oh what do I command fire from the lake of abyss. Yeah! From the lake of abyss, I command fire enter my hand now. I use fire. Wait! Why you minute? Come, please. Please. You're fire.
Why are you begging?
I'm not begging. I'm begging. No, bring down your fire.
Things say they wise.
Please, I'm begging you.
Are you move man?
I'm begging the name of God. Please bring down your fire.
Hey! I hear me to me, by me.
You are just a nuisance. Palamberating around, insulting people because you think you have mouths to talk.
Yes, ma'am.
That rickety, dirty bag you're carrying, you feel you have power in you.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen, you don't talk to everybody the way you want.
Yes, ma'am.
My mission is not your mission. Learn to mind your business. You know you are not a man of God. Neither are you a man from God. Yet you wear your parachute going around constituting nuisance. Let today be the very last time you ever see me and talk to me or talk to any of my children. Fella dear Meg, we know the men of God where we see them. We know them. You don't just wear parachutes and carry an empty rickety bag, walking up and down, saying rubbish to people.
Something way bad for this.
Hey, little Tonya, Onya couldn't on yours. Garima Bumta. The trap where they set for another person. Nasa for that inside it today. Eh? This kind of oil they rob me for head that day. Now the same oil where they rob others, they rob me. Eh? Others they rob them oil. If they talk for pulpit to tend them mother or son, and people go they fall yakata. I mean my own pastor not be the same thing where they see for Facebook where others they do. They don't know what small kingdom power. Why I say make her exercise? Eh? How come they will live awabis? Lake of Abyss. Oh, you're not when? Eh? What are the mongams? Go maybe I go call another place. Lake of Abyss. Oh, you know what I hear they talk for Facebook. Hey, it is good to make people mind their business. So anything will not concern you. No put hand. And not be everything will say they be man of God. Get that power. Although power was given to everybody. But my own, I don't know whether my own power did.
This is plain.
Eh? I can't make them one day. Ufonye wuri we buomo. Ngari ipe bere. Eh? Touch not my anointed and do my prophet no harm. Eh? Look what small oil where dey my head now. Yeah, they can sap shali shini ne warm up. Head just they catch me fire.
Hey!
She don't touch me, I fall like this. If she can't touch me, I won't cut this. Hey, look at this. She make me. My phone caught on as in what day. Really got one. This place where they come out from. Be like saying I water day. I no go again.
Jesus!
This place, this is so.
Imo